Okay guys, what's up? Today is going to be an unboxing. It's a little bit too wide there. Let me try and fix that. This took more than expected. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Flight Ukuleles, in a meaning that they're sending me these two ukuleles for free, and also there will be a giveaway at the end of this video. I'll explain how. So let's not waste time and just see what we have here. Starting with the bigger box. Okay, we have a bunch of things and stickers inside. Let's see the U. This is called Flight Sophia tenor Soundwave. Okay. I said to Giuliano, send me this because I live in a city with the same name. This is very gorgeous ukulele, and it has a really nice feature right here. This is called the Soundwave, and basically it have a little speaker inside, and you can put some reverb, chorus, and delay effects. The gig bag is pretty cool, but yeah, let's see the ukulele. Let me tune it up. Woo! That handyman work is so exhausting. Alright, so that's the ukulele with no effects whatsoever. This is picked from this little microphone, so yeah. I'll remove all the effects and just put some volume. No, let's first do a few strums without it and then a few strums with it. So this is without it. Alright, let's try it with it. Volume on max. Okay, let's try to add some reverb. Oh, that's nice. Do you hear it? I'm not sure, but it's definitely very here. Maybe I can actually, you know what? Let's put the microphone here. Huh? That's amazing. Let's try if we add a little delay. Okay, let's see how they made it with that. And what is the last one? It's chorus. Okay, let's remove everything else and just add the chorus to see. Ooh, it has some. Alright, let's try without chorus and with chorus. Alright, let's try the chorus, the same thing. Alright, that's interesting. I don't know, I think the most impressive is the reverb and delay, but actually probably you have to find a really nice combination of them. This is right now pretty much everything is in the middle and the volume is on 75%. Maybe just the delay a little bit. Alright, that's pretty cool, but you know what I'm interested? I want to see if I plug this thing into a speaker, with how it will go in the speaker. So let's see. Okay, so I plugged it right here into my speaker. So without any effects first. Maybe turn the volume down. Alright, let's add a little bit reverb. I like that. Well, that's kind of nice because you have the effects right here built in. Maybe they're not the best possible effects. Maybe if you buy separate effects, they'll be with better quality. But that's pretty nice that you have the three most used effects inside of the ukulele, and you just need to bring your cable with you, and just you can go and jam somewhere to be plugged. I don't know. I think that's nice for anybody who wants to busk, for anybody who is going on open mics and stuff like that. I think this is pretty nice feature. And also this Soundwave thing, Flight will put it on the market with no ukulele, and you can install it on your favorite ukulele. So if it's out, I'll leave the links below this video so you can check out the Soundwave system, and also this lovely uke right here. It's from the fancy ones of the Flight. It's actually the best Flight ukulele I've ever held in my hand, and yeah, I like it. Okay, next uke. Let's see, the summer uke. I think that this is a really good summer uke. Okay, this one is going to be the one for the giveaway. In other words, one of you will win this. Not exactly this one, but the same one as this one. And also not the ukulele only. I've already unboxed it to check it out. Not the ukulele only, but this super cool strap, which is with the same pattern as the ukulele. And I think that that's such a cool summer ukulele. This is one of these travel ukes that you can pretty much get anywhere with you, and nothing can happen to this because it's all plastic. Yeah, you can even go in the sea, and I think it will be fine after that. I'm not sure, actually. I'll ask him now, right here. It has a pretty simple gig back. This is soprano body with concert neck, okay? So you have a little bit more frets right here. And it has the 0 fret, and let me tune it up and see how it sounds. I feel nice, sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice, I got you. All right, it sounds pretty good, and I really like this. The strap is really good quality. It's maybe the best strap I've had so far. And also it comes with this. Now you can put it on a pin like this and on the other side, but also it comes with this little accessory. Let me remove it here so I can show it to you. This has a hole, and you can put it on a ukulele with a pin, or you can attach this at the end and just put it right here, which I think is amazing. I'm not sure if it's a real leather or fake leather. I don't know, but it looks pretty sturdy, and I really like it. So yeah, head out to my Instagram so you can see how you can win this, because it's going to be an Instagram giveaway. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was not too boring, and I'll see you on the next one. in Saturday or in Wednesday. I don't know when I'm uploading this, but on the next regular video. Yeah, that's it. Bye.